Hello friends, you all must have seen this suspicious looking blue tea and you wonder how is it made for. Let me show you. So this is the butterfly pea flower. You need to pluck some of these blue purple flowers. There are two ways to make it. Either you use it fresh or you dry them for a week. So you pour the flowers in a cup and the next thing you need is some hot water. You can pour some hot water in your cup. Let it stay for some time. What you will observe is in some time it starts to release some color, blue color. So once that good, it means your tea is ready to be consumed. So you can add some more water if you want to dilute it a bit, and there you are, your tea is ready. You can also filter it if you need. This tea has a lot of benefits. It has anti-inflammatory factors, it reduces stress and anxiety, helps lower blood pressure, improves eyesight, and also helps in hair growth. Well, till date there were no such side effects apart of nausea, diarrhea and stomach pain. Well, sit back and enjoy this lovely tea and let me know how was it. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you.